Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video, we built a landing page for productivity app with just one prompt using Google's Antigravity IDE, and you guys loved it. But today, we are unlocking the real power of anti-gravity MCP servers. This is the feature that most people are completely sleeping on right now. And by the end of this video, you will understand why this changes everything for developers. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we jump in, let me quickly explain what MCP actually is. And I promise I'll keep this under 1 minute. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a bridge. It connects your AI IDE to external tools and services. Without MCP, anti-gravity is powerful but isolated. It can write code, but it doesn't know what's in your GitHub. It can't check your code quality. It can't talk to your design files. With MCP, it can do all of that. You are basically giving your AI superpowers to interact with the real world tools you already use every day. Simple as that. Now, let's see it in action. So let me open anti-gravity and show you where to find MCPs. Here you can see there are a bunch of MCP servers already available. Each one of these connects anti-gravity to a different tool. Today we are going to try some of these. Here you can see there are many MCP servers like Firebase, Dart, GenKit, BigQuery. Then we have the GitHub, Stripe, Redis, MongoDB, PayPal, Supabase, and many more. Today we are going to try some of this. First one in the list is developer's favorite GitHub MCP, and this might be the most useful one for everyday development. With GitHub MCP connected, Antigravity can read your repositories, create branches, post commits, and even raise pull requests, all from inside the IDE through natural language. Let's just install it. It will ask for the GitHub personal access token. So let's just move to the GitHub. Under your profile, move to the settings. Inside the settings, you will be able to see the developer settings. And from here, we'll create one token. So we'll generate the new token. We'll give it a name like maybe anti-gravity token. Okay. I'll keep it valid for 30 days. For now, you can change it according to your need. Okay. We'll give the all repository access and need to make sure that we are giving at least two permission. One is the administration and another is the contents. Okay. We'll generate the token. We'll just copy it and paste it in the anti-gravity. One thing you need to make sure over here is GitHub MCP does need Docker. So you must have Docker desktop installed and running in the system. I have installed it earlier and it is currently running. Okay, Sims setup is done. Now let's move to the agent and ask the agent to create a private repo over GitHub with name focus flow along with the detailed README file and initial commit. Look at that. I did not touch the GitHub once after creating the token, and here you are with the private repo and initial commit with detailed and well-structured README file as well. Okay, let's just reload the GitHub. There you can see the project name, the repository private, and the initial commit. And here is the README file. For anyone managing multiple projects or working in a team, this is a massive time saver. Okay. Now, moving to the another MCP, let's check stage. Okay, we'll just move to the MCP server. We'll search for the stage. Okay, for those who doesn't know, Stage is Google's own UI design tool. Think of it like a Figma Make alternative from Google. It allows you to design mobile and web application with just one prompt. Okay, so let's just try to install it. It will ask for the API key. So we'll just open the stitch.with google.com. We'll move to the stitch setting and in the bottom section, we'll see a API key. So let's just create the new API key. Okay, since API key has created, let's just copy it and we'll paste it here. Okay, that's it. Antigravity is now connected to Stitch MCP. By enabling this MCP server, Antigravity can pull your designs from Stitch. I have already created one project over the Stitch, and this is the same landing page that we have created earlier with the Antigravity. Here the design is a bit different. Okay, let's do one thing. Uh, we'll add a prompt and ask it to change the hero section over here. So this is the current execution we have. I already run it with the localhost. So here is the hero section, and with the stage, this is the new hero section. Okay, so let's now move to anti-gravity and we'll add a prompt. Refer the hero section from Stitch and replace it in current implementation. And look at this. It is reading directly from Stitch and updating the code. No copy pasting, no exporting assets manually. It just works. This alone saves so much time if you are working with designers. Your developer and designers are now literally working in sync through the IDE. And yes, we will see here, hero section has been totally updated according to Stitch design. This is the Stitch design and here is the output. You might have observed one more thing, that in the Stitch we have the light mode, but in our actual design we had the dark mode, so it had adopted it directly. Now, at the end, we are developers. So let's just create a PR for this and get it merged. We already have GitHub MCP enabled. Let's utilize that and so let's just type create a PR for hero section changes with proper branching and meaningful commit message. And it's done. It has created a branch, made a proper commit with genuine commit message and pull request as well with detailed description. Here is the pull request link. Let's open it and see what it has. Yes, here you can see that it was a feature, UI change, redesign the hero section with Stitch inspiration. It had created a different branch as well for the features, Stitch hero section, the proper description, and the commit message as well. So that's MCP server inside Google Antigravity. And We are just scratching the surface here. There are so many more MCP servers to explore. If you missed the first video where we built this landing page from scratch, I'll link it right up here. Go check that out first if you haven't. If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. Which MCP do you want me to deep dive into next video? See you everyone in the next one with more around Google Antigravity.